Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by revealing what's invisible. Turn on Show /hide so you can see paragraph symbols and breaks. Once done, scan the end of the preceding page for manual page breaks or several empty paragraphs. These create blank pages. Also inspect section breaks, because a section break set to next page will force a new blank page. Make sure to click at the start and end of the visible markers, so you understand which element is causing the blank page before removing anything. Now you remove the culprits. Select a manual page break or empty paragraph symbol and press delete, short and decisive. If there are multiple empty paragraphs, replace them with one paragraph to preserve spacing. For section breaks, be cautious. Removing a next page section can change headers, footers, or page orientation, so check the layout first. If you need to keep the section formatting, move content instead. Work iteratively, saving or using undo between changes, so you can revert if layout shifts. Finish by checking layout settings. Sometimes large margins or paragraph spacing push content to a blank page, so adjust margins or spacing. Use shrink one page if available. If deletion fails, copy the document content, excluding the blank page, into a new file. This often clears stubborn formatting. If a blank page still appears, inspect headers, footers, and hidden objects like anchored pictures or text boxes. These can sit on a separate page. If things go wrong, use undo and reevaluate which element required removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.